How's it going, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will be heading back to Cecil County Dragway for another test and tune. Now in today's video I'm going to try out a couple different camera angles, so if you could do me a favor and leave a comment down below, let me know which angle you like the best. Let me know if there's any other angles you think I should give a try. But before we get going, how about a cold start? Alright everybody, we're at Cecil County Dragway. We're doing a test and tune. It is 80 degrees right now, 58% humidity, and the DA is about 2450. So not the greatest conditions, but we'll see what we can do. Now, I do have the drag radius on the back, and I switched out the skinnies on the front. I took off the M&H front runners and put on a set of Mickey Thompsons. I believe they're the SRs, where you can air them up to 95 PSI. So these are actually street legal tires. I actually drove them here. So the car is fully ready to go. We just got to get the check-in done and we can start racing. We got Mr. Sauer horsepower right here in his 2019 Hellcat Red Eye narrow body. Like I said, the thinner brother of mine, or thinner sister, however you want to go. He's got his welds on. Said, if you haven't checked out his channel, go check it out. This car's really fast. I believe he was doing 10.3s, 10.4s the last time we were here. So I'd go check it out. Really good channel. So we'll see if we can get a run together tonight. I'm sure he'll beat me because my car just isn't running the greatest. But we'll see. Let's get started.
With the throttle all the way on. Look hot.
Welcome back, everybody. So again, I didn't get in until late last night, so I figured I'd wait to the day to tell you how I did. Unfortunately, I was only able to get 2 runs in last night because the track was pretty crowded. And also, apparently, the car just doesn't like hot, humid Friday nights, because my best time was only a 11.037 at 124 miles an hour. Now, like I said before, these hot, humid days and nights are just not very good conditions for these cars to be running in. They don't perform their greatest, but I just like going to the track, so I wanted to get there and see what the car can do. Now, the car is performing consistent. It's not doing the greatest. I'm not breaking any records, but the car is doing consistent. Now, Sour Horsepower was there again last night. Running really good, so I recommend you go over to his channel and check out his videos from last night. I'm not going to give you any spoilers, so go check it out. Well, that's all I have for this video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and turn your bell notification on so you can stay up to date on all my videos. I'm out. Everybody be safe.